Hello, let's learn English today. So in today's video, we are going to have a little bit of a Christmas themed lesson because it is December and it is nearly Christmas, okay? We are in the middle of December, so we are truly in the midst of getting ready for Christmas. So here I have my tree. Now this is a real evergreen tree, okay? And there it is. It looks more like a bush. I would describe it as a bush, and I'm going to describe some of the decorations that are on my Christmas tree this year. I'm also going to show you a few pictures that are in my advent calendar and describe the pictures in my advent calendar. So let's get started. The fire is lit because it's cold outside. We have some lights up there. I'm going to show you my Christmas tree. So this was the snowman that I made. Snowman. Here we have a hedgehog with a bell and a scarf. I have another bell here. A golden Christmas tree. I made this little guy as well. This is a penguin with a Christmas hat. This is a reindeer inside a sock. We also have an angel inside a sock as well. I also made this. This is a Christmas pudding with icing and holly on top. Put that there. We have a little fox wearing a Christmas jumper and a little bear. A bear. These are just some plain old baubles with snowman, a blue bauble, ice skates. We have some ice skates and some Christmas boots or winter boots. I got this in Spain last year. This is a Spanish bauble, We have a bell, a Christmas bell. Now I love pigs, so we have a little pig with a Christmas hat. Now that is the star at the top. It was very hard to get the star at the top, so it just sits at the top. And then we just have loads of baubles here. Another Christmas pudding. And then of course all the lights. So this tree is a little bit funny looking. My dad cut it down, so it is a bit funny looking. And then I also made this little fox with his Christmas hat. And there's a card that says Merry Christmas. And over here we have a small Christmas tree with tinsel. This is tinsel. And we have Santa over here. Another Santa. Santa's over here. That's all my Christmas decorations. So let me know what you think of my tree and what your tree looks like if you have a Christmas tree. One of the best things about having a real Christmas tree instead of an artificial one is the smell. So the smell of a real Christmas tree is so fresh and nice, and it makes your whole room smell like an evergreen tree. So that is really nice. Oh, we also have a sheep. I made that little sheep as well. This is a Scottish themed advent calendar, and I'm just going to show you some of the pictures in it. Our first picture, this is holly. Holly. So we have some red berries and green, and this is a very Christmas plant because it grows in December. Our next picture is a cat. A cat that is climbing a Christmas tree. Our next picture, thistles. So thistles are a Scottish flower and they grow in December, so that's why that is there. Next we have pheasants. Now pheasants are a type of bird and they are come out at Christmas time as well, because a lot of people like to hunt pheasants and they do that in December. The first one is a little house, a little cottage in the snow, so a snow cottage. We have the castle, so this is Edinburgh Castle in the snow. Edinburgh Castle in the snow. This picture is a truck carrying loads of presents. So they're carrying a truckload of presents in this picture. In that picture, there are some sheep in the mountains. Next picture over here are some lights, some Christmas fairy lights. Then here we have a Highland cow in the snow. And lastly, we have a man playing the bagpipes in a kilt. It's the 13th of December today, so we've only opened 13 doors, so halfway through nearly, and that's what we've got so far. So just some cute little Christmas pictures on the advent calendar. Now we also have a chocolate one. This one's a bit different. Instead it has chocolates, but it has actually told the story of Jesus, the nativity of Jesus. So I'm going to read those out to you. So we'll start with number 1. It all started about 2,000 years ago in the Holy Land. That's number 1. Number 2, the people in the Holy Land were governed by the Romans. Number 3, in the village of Nazareth lived a young woman named Mary. Number 4, when Mary grew up, she was promised in marriage to a carpenter called Joseph. Number 5, Angel Gabriel came to Mary and told her God had chosen her to be the mother of his son. Number 6, an angel appeared to Joseph and told him to name the baby Jesus. Number 7, a law was passed that everyone had to return to the town of their birth to register for tax. Number 8, so Mary and Joseph had to make the long journey to Bethlehem. Number 9, in Jerusalem they could only find King Herod. Number 10, a star appeared in the sky, a sign that a great king was about to be born. Number 11, 3 wise men followed the star to Jerusalem. Number 12, they were bearing gifts of gold, frankincense, myrrh for the new baby king. And the last one for today, number 13, they packed the saddlebags and Mary made a long journey on a donkey. So that is 13 doors. Now today I opened number 13 is a chocolate. So the chocolate is heart-shaped. So we have to wait. We're halfway through the story, or the nativity story of Jesus being born. So I like that calendar. So now I am just going to get cozy by the fire. It's very cold and wet outside, so we're going to sit by the fire and relax. So I hope you enjoyed your English lesson today, and I hope you learned some new words. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy your December and your Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. So thank you so much for watching, and if you would like to learn more English, then I do have a Comprehensible Input course, so you can check that out in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.